Assalamu alaikum. Right, next let's go on to the brothers. So this is the brother, or what we call the brothers. So we're talking about maternal brothers here. Maternal brother is basically two brothers or brother and sister who share the same mother. Fathers are different, but they share the same mother. And as for the other category of brothers, right, that is going to come under those who receive the remainder of whatever is left. So imagine there is a guy and he has parents, mother and father, and this guy, his mother was previously married to another man. Now if she was married to another man and they had children, that child is now the step brother of this child. So they're siblings, but they're not full siblings, they share the same mother. So in inheritance we have to know this. What kind of brother is it? Or what kind of sister is it? So that is the sister or brother, maternal brother. Okay, so like I said, the other brothers are the ones who receive the remainder. So there's three scenarios for brothers who are what we call maternal brothers. Okay, so there's three scenarios, and you need to learn this. Get a piece of paper, get a pen, write this down, and inshallah, like I mentioned time and time again, this is something that you're going to pick up as you go along. Don't worry about it, just write it down and try to just understand each lesson one by one. So the brothers, whether it's one, right, one brother rather, will receive a sixth. Yeah, so one brother, one maternal brother, there's only one maternal brother, he will receive 1/6. Right, so I'm going to write down here, alone. He has to be alone. Right, he can't be more than one brother. Right, so let's draw the line and let's come out with some sort of example here. So for instance, let's say there is a brother, M for maternal brother, and there is an uncle. So the deceased passed away, man passed away, he's left behind one maternal brother and he's left behind one uncle. Give the maternal brother 1/6 and the remainder will go to the uncle. The uncle is part of the remainder family. So start the calculation from 6. So give 1 to the maternal brother. How much is left? 5 is left. Okay, and if you want it in easy terms, then if there was 6 pieces of a cake, then he gets 1 and the uncle gets the rest, 5 pieces. Okay, right, next, number 2 is 1/3. Right, the brother gets 1/3 if there is 2 or more. So if there's 2 or more brothers, now when we say 2 or more brothers, what we actually mean is 2 or more brothers or sisters. Because when we do sisters, maternal sisters, it's exactly the same as this really. So 2 or more brothers, sisters, maternal brothers, sisters, they have to share 1/3. So if they were on their own, if there's only one, they get 1/6. But if there's more than one, then how much do they get? They get 1/3. So they share one. They don't get 1/3 each. They share 1/3. Right. So now next. So let's write this out then. So maternal brothers or sisters, right, you can write this down as well, and they get how much did I put down? 3, no, okay, put 2 down, write down 2. Okay, 2 maternal brothers and sisters. A man passed away and he's left behind 2 maternal brothers and he's left behind 1 uncle. So how are we going to share this now? So remember, we give the maternal brothers, because there's 2 or more, we give them 1/3 to share, and we give the rest to the uncle. So now, what are we going to start the calculation from? So because the highest number here is 3, we start 3, right? We give 1 to the brothers. So we split the whole wealth into 3 parts. 1 goes to the brothers, and the rest, how many is left? 2 left. Yeah, 2 pieces are left. Right, so again, let's take the cake example, right? Let's take the cake example. Okay, right, so this is not really a good one to use. Let's do 3. Okay, so this one's better. So 3 portions of the cake. 1 portion of the cake goes to the brothers, and the rest, the 2 other portions, will go to the uncle. So if you like the cake example, by all means use the cake example, whatever you're comfortable with. Right, so let's give him, the uncle, the 2 pieces, and let's give the brothers 1 piece. Okay, so 1/3 goes to them, 2/3 go to the brother. Excellent, brilliant. Right, the third example now. So the third is that they are deprived, or they don't receive a thing. They're what we call mahjub, right? So they're prevented from receiving any share. And why are they prevented? What is preventing them from receiving a share? So that's what we want to look for. So whenever we see someone who's prevented, we need to find out who is preventing them from getting a share. So in this case, if there is a son, number one, or number two, if there is a son's son, grandson, or number three, if there is a father, number four, if there is a grandfather. If any of these four people are in a calculation, then that brother or sister, maternal, will not receive a share. They become prevented from receiving any share. So remember that. Okay, so you need to memorize these individuals. When they come together, they stop the brother from receiving a share. Okay, so let's write this out then. So draw a line and write down underneath there, let's say maternal brothers and sisters. Okay, so let's just put down one, maternal brother and sister. Doesn't matter, you can have multiple, but it doesn't really matter because they're going to be deprived. A son, so the maternal brothers get nothing, 0, put X, and the son will get everything else. So because there's no one else, right, remainder, we'll just start the calculation off from 1. So all the entire share will be divided into one portion, and all that portion will go to the son. Son gets the whole thing. Yep. Okay, next. Now, you see this son, he is one of these four. So you can actually change this for father, or for son, or for grandfather. It's up to you. Right, I've just given you one example. You can try the rest. Okay, let's try another one then. So now these are only three scenarios, and 3 scenarios are done. Right, let's just try another one. So maternal brother, right, and let's say father, and let's say son. Okay, let's add some more into this. So you can have a go yourself. Pause it, have a go. Right, so start it off from 6. Okay, give him 1, and the son gets the rest. Maternal brother is deprived. So if you had a cake with 6 portions, 1 portion would go to the father, and the other 5 would go to the son. Okay, and that's it basically. Hope you guys understood that. Hope you guys benefited. Try to go over the rest of them, and inshallah see you in the next video. And if you haven't subscribed, guys, subscribe, give likes, tick the bell. Jazakumullah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.